Hello, everybody. I'm here with my dear friends, the Agnini brothers, the famous Agnini brothers, for a quick announcement, very special. First time ever, we are doing a course together, 2 days in a very special venues, very special experience. We're going to talk about that. But in this brief video, I want to go straight to the point and explain the 5 main take-home messages of this unique course that is going to happen for the first time in Italy for people from all over the world. So, guys, please say hello to everybody and introduce yourselves.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
We are here with the more famous Christian Coachman rather than the Agnini brothers. But as you were saying, Christian, the location, unique event, first course that we are doing together, but we're going to do it at the Ferrari Factory. So the course, Ferrari Factory. The course is 2 days of education, but 1 day of fun, in the sense that the very first day we're going to go and deep dive into the Ferrari experience, doing pit stop experience, trying F1 simulator, trying cars, visiting the museum. And the first day you are going to talk, the first day it's we're going to go inside the Ferrari auditorium.
So Christian, what are you going to talk about?
So from my side, this course, as I said, 2 days, it's going to combine a more conceptual day where I'm going to be talking mainly with you guys, interacting with me. And then second day, you guys will deep dive on the execution, very pragmatic, practical, hands-on experience on how to leverage digital. What I like about the collaboration with you guys is because you don't only teach digital, you guys do it since many years. You guys are among the first ones that I know that are really doing digital for everyday dentistry. And the experience that you guys have is immense. And of course, 2 books already published. You guys published 2 books. I had the honor to collaborate on the first one and write the intro on the second one. So there's a lot of experience and passion and very realistic information that we want to share on the digital implementation. On my day, first day, there's very simple 3 take-home messages. First, how to simplify decision-making. For me, one of the main problems in dentistry related to diagnostics and treatment planning, how digital can help you make it more simple. Simplicity, effectiveness is the word, number 1. Number 2, how to tell a better story to the patient, how to become a better communicator, how to leverage digital and storytelling to make the patient get on board. And number 3, how to improve your relationship with the lab. This is one of the most topics that I like the most, since I have this technician background. So we're going to talk about very simple tips and tricks on how can you empower your synergy with your lab. I think people will go home with very clear recipes to simplify their work and improve their work. Now, on the second day, I'm going to be the one moderating, and you guys will be the one. We're going to invert roles, and you guys will be the ones sharing your experience. So tell us what will be the main topics on the second day.
Main topics, 3 take-home messages.
Yes.
For us. So execute single implant restoration, fully digital. Number 1.
Fully digital. Yes.
Number 1. Number 2 is tips and tricks on how to scan full arch rehabilitation.
Perfect.
Now to do
Big
that,
topic.
And now to do that, we're going to do a live. Plus,
Live.
after that, you will be moderating us during the live. And after that, in the same patient, the attendees will do the hands-on, because we will print out the model of the case and they will do exactly what we have done.
Yes.
Perfect.
And the last one topics is the gingival digital management. So how to send the right information of the soft tissue through the provisional restoration.
So fantastic. Copy paste the gingiva to the lab, so you have less work adjusting in the mouth. I think that that means that participants will learn how to scan full arches and will be able to go home and scan full arches with the scanner with no analog impressions and achieve passive fit, achieve precision, right?
Yeah, and all the tips and tricks on how to scan and what are the next steps? What are the following steps after the scan? So we will really give them a recipe from A to Z. That's our main goal. We want to be very how to do it, that's
I think that these are three things that every modern dentist should master. And I know that the majority is still not mastering. So it's a must, to learn first how to make single implants become fully digital. This is so powerful. You make your life so easy when you are able to solve these cases fully digital. Single implants, fully digital. Then scan full arches, completely digital, solved. And then how to capture the gingival information and communicate with the lab the gingival information. As a technician, I can say one of the key factors to design ideal restorations.
so.
Right.
Last thing that we need to say is we will wait in May, because it's between the 16th to the 19th of May, Ferrari and Coachman, and we will just do all the experience, taking care of everything.
Of course, the course completely in English, and we already have people coming from all over the world, so it's an international course. And I think beautiful excuse for everybody to get to know Modena, maybe try one of the amazing restaurants from the region.
Great opportunity to taste the Italian food in Modena.
Yes, and get to know Ferrari. So I'm very excited.
Great, Christian. So
Great, Christian.
see you soon in May.
See you guys in May, and looking forward.
Bye, man.
Looking forward.
Ciao, ciao.